Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit $500 or more on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description, make sure you sign up and get involved today. We've also struck up a great partnership this month with BitUnix, who are offering up to $5,500 of bonuses for first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up there as well. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss our videos. Today we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically focusing on Ripple's XRP token. We'll discuss what it is, its unique features, and how it aims to revolutionize the global payments industry. So let's get started. Ripple is a privately held fintech company that focuses on private investors. Ripple is a privately held fintech company that focuses on providing enterprise-level blockchain-powered solutions for banks and financial institutions. Its digital asset XRP is the cryptocurrency that facilitates these transactions. XRP is designed to be a bridge currency that facilitates quick and low-cost cross-border payments, making it an attractive option for financial institutions looking to improve their services. There are several key features that set XRP apart from other cryptocurrencies. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Its speed. Transactions made by XRP are processed in just 3 to 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest cryptocurrencies in the market. In comparison, Bitcoin takes around 10 minutes, and Ethereum takes about 2 minutes for transaction confirmations. Scalability. XRP can handle up to 1,500 transactions per second, which is significantly higher than other popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, for example, can only handle 7 transactions per second, and Ethereum can handle 15 to 20 transactions. Low cost. XRP transaction fees are just a fraction of a penny, making it a cost-effective solution for global payments. Decentralization. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, XRP is not mined, instead it is issued by Ripple Labs. However, the network is still decentralized, as the issuance of XRP is controlled by a consensus protocol between network validators which can be run by any interested party. Ripple's global payment network, called RippleNet, enables financial transactions to process cross-border payments instantly, reliably and cost-effectively. RippleNet is powered by two crucial components, xCurrent and xRapid. Let's explore how they work with XRP. xCurrent, it enables financial institutions to settle cross-border payments in real time, with end-to-end tracking and transparency. Although xCurrent doesn't support use XRP for transactions, it provides the foundation for RippleNet and paves the way for xRapid. xRapid. This solution uses XRP as a bridge currency to enable on-demand liquidity for financial institutions. By using XRP, these institutions can reduce their forex costs and provide a transparent, efficient cross-border payment system for their customers. XRP has already found several use cases across various industries, including remittances, corporate payments, and even treasury management. Here are some of the real-world examples of XRP in action. Remittances. Companies like MoneyGram, Western Union, and Azimo have already started testing XRP for cross-border payments, with MoneyGram recently announcing that they are using XRP for 10% of their transactions between the US and Mexican corridors. Corporate payments. Companies like Mercury FX use XRP for cross-border payments, reducing their transaction fees by 40 to 70%. And treasury management. Large banks like Standard Chartered use xCurrent to manage their liquidity better, with the potential to implement xRapid in the future. With its focus on solving real-world problems and providing value to financial institutions, XRP has the potential to become a dominant force in the global payments industry. As more financial institutions embrace blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, XRP is poised to play a crucial role in its transformation. However, like any investment, there are risks associated with XRP. Please do your research, consider your risk tolerance, and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's it for our deep dive into Ripple XRP. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus, and BitUnix for a massive bonus on sign up, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.